Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is okay. Let me talk about reminding that again. What's the purpose of table topic practice? So this is something that I have initiated. Every day I would come on the screen and would talk about on a topic given instantly. So that in turn would improve my impromptu speaking skills and thinking on field. That's why this table topic practice video series. So coming back to the table topic, let me grab it. Okay, the table topic is manners matter. Manners matter. We often come across multiple scenarios, multiple examples where people emphasize a lot on the hard work for success. Many people don't talk about manners. We all know it's important, but often people, after getting successful, they sort of tend to neglect this aspect as well, right? It's very hard that saying I'm successful because of manners. I didn't do hard work. It doesn't sound believable, but believe me, my friends, this manners, this skill is very important in life. And I was drawn to this fact when there is a one actor called R. Madhavan, and he was giving a seminar. He was talking about it. He was being very candid at that moment. He said he got the opportunity to be star in Three Idiot. Three Idiot is a movie. If people don't know about it, he got the chance only because of his well manner, only because of his manner, and he has no shame in it. And that's the beauty of it, right? We need more people to acknowledge that your manners matter a lot. And he told the audience he got the role only because he was very well mannered. So looking at this example, we can see that sometimes you can get the opportunity that you could not have gotten only, and you received only because of your manners. So yes, manners matters a lot in life, and we try to be well-mannered person. We should have manners. We should try to remain humble. That's the message I want to impart. Thank you. Over to you.